Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen with me, Debbie. Saturday, and I'm just making something small and simple. Here I have 2 split chicken breasts. Sometimes I told you I rather use the split breast because somehow it seems to obtain moisture more than the boneless, skinless chicken breast does. It really does. So I'm gonna season these 2. They've already been washed and soaked in vinegar. One of them, the skin came off and I just took it off. The other one is still on. I leave it on. I'm gonna shred these later after I cook them for the rest of the cooking. So to season these right now, I have here some spicy jerk marinade. Get some under the skin. And this part of the breast that is actually open right here. Okay, that's enough of that. So I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Almost done. A pinch of Creole seasoning. I have all this right here, but I may not use all of this. Pinch of garlic powder. Black pepper. And because I use jerk marinade, of course I have to add some allspice. Later on with the rest of the cooking, I'll add my 3-blend spice mix. Okay. Okay, I think I'm pretty good there. This is good. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this up and I'm gonna wrap this in, cover this in foil paper and let it marinate for a couple hours. But before I do that, I forgot. I wanted to add just a pinch of liquid smoke on here because I'm gonna be making this in the oven. This is optional, by the way. Just a pinch. And again, I'm gonna wrap this and marinate this for a couple hours and then I'll see you back then. Guys, it's been about 2 hours and I put the breast in the oven, 45 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna prepare some other ingredients. Let me tell you what it is. I love gumbo very much. And I found this thing where I love to incorporate traditional Jamaican recipes with other southern recipes. I find a lot of times they go very well together, and that is what I've done with jerk chicken. I've used jerk chicken with sausage. Sometimes I have no shrimp today. Sometimes I had shrimp, and I'll make jerk shrimp and jerk chicken gumbo. So today is going to be jerk chicken with the sausage gumbo. So I have here a half of the regular poker kielbasa sausage and a half of the Cajun sausage. I'm going to slice these up. I have an onion here. I have some bell peppers, and I have fresh garlic, and I have carrots and celery. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to prepare this, so I'll come back and see you soon. So while the chicken's been cooking and I got the vegetables ready, I also made this roux. I use half a cup of vegetable oil with 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And it's been cooking for like 15 minutes, and I've been continuously stirring it like this, just waiting for this nice golden brown color. So now that that is done, I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to get started on the rest of the meal. So just a second. Oh, key. I gotta get you closer to the pot. So there, I have my pot on. I'm gonna add a little oil to the pot to brown up some sausage and some vegetables. So to start off, I have about 2 tablespoons of oil in here. Okay, I'll come back in and I'm giving, because what am I blubbering? Using medium heat, so I'm going to give that a little time to hot, and I'll come back to brown the sausage. Okay, so I'm almost through with browning the sausages right now. The chicken is out of the oven, and I'm starting to shred them. This sausage smells so good, I swear I just want to eat them right now just like this. Smells so good. Alright, so in the same pan, I need a little buttered flavor, so I'm going to add a half a stick of butter. Tell you, Florida is actually finally feeling like it's not summer. It feels so lovely out there, guys. Oh my goodness, and this is just a perfect meal. Okay, I'm gonna add the chopped onions and chopped garlic to this. Usually I will use a can of tomatoes. More than likely garlic tomato, but I thought I had some. Unfortunately I don't, so I have quite a few bunch of fresh tomatoes that I diced up. I'm going to use with some tomato paste. It's just what I've wanted, so I'm not going to let a can of tomatoes stop me. Look at that minute, I keep cooking, and I'm going to go over here and keep shredding this chicken, and I'll see you soon. Okay, onions and garlic cook and just smelling up the kitchen. I'm gonna add the tomatoes and bell peppers in all at the same time. Because I really want to stew these tomatoes. So I'm gonna cook this for a few minutes. I'll be back soon. Okay, I'm gonna add the carrots and the celery, as well as some thyme. Okay, that's about 2 teaspoons of, I think I need, let's make it a cool tablespoon of tomato paste. Let me put my sausages back in here. Two and a half cups of chicken broth. And let me bring that to a boil and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so not only did I bring it to a boil, I let it cook for maybe 5 to 7 minutes. And I'm going to add the chicken in there, the shredded chicken, along with the whatever liquid from cooking it in the oven. Oh, I'm sorry, I just made. Something my grandma taught me. So this piece of bone from one of the chicken, I'm gonna put it in there just for the sake of flavor, and when I'm finished, I'll take it out. I can't right now, Jade. Okay. So let me put it all in here. This is just so comforting food right now for this weather. Okay, now I'm gonna add the roux for thickening. And because the chicken broth I use with low sodium, I always use low sodium. That way it gives me, you know, control over flavoring. So then I'm gonna taste to see. Okay, so let's see. Okay. My pimento, star anise, and clove that I ground up. This just makes all, when I'm cooking authentic Jamaican food, man, that just makes all the difference. And I'm gonna add a little more Creole seasoning. Again, it's Jamaican combined with soul food, so you know. Ooh, did I just do that? Oh, it's not star. Too loud. Okay. Just spill something there. Oh, the good cake on, so let me clean it up right now. Okay. This is looking and smelling amazing. You know, it's like Thanksgiving is coming up, and my kids and I are not big fans of turkey. My husband, on the other hand, he's American, so he's big on turkey. I usually substitute maybe a nice roast chicken. But my girls are always asking for things like oxtail and curry goat. That they want the whole Jamaican 9 yards. I swear they act like they were born and raised there. And I invite my mom and a couple of my sisters to come cook with me for Thanksgiving. I hope I get a chance to record that. And my oldest daughter, who's married and living in Fort Lauderdale also. So we're gonna have a great time in the kitchen for Thanksgiving cooking. But again, I also combine it with, you know, traditional. They gotta also have, a couple of them gotta also have their color greens or it won't be pretty. And then my Jordana gotta have her mommy's baked mac and cheese. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Guys, oh, let me tell you, that thing tastes amazing. Oh my God, I'm gonna get a little bit right now. It is Saturday evening, and if I haven't told you all already, I like to end my Saturdays early if I'm not doing anything, and then I relax to Hallmark. And right now, it's between Hallmark and Up TV with their Christmas movies. I'm just enjoying. That's what you're probably hearing in the background right now. I love me some Hallmark Channel and Up TV. And now that it's Christmas time, oh yeah. Okay, guys, here we go. This smells just scrumptious. Just amazing. I have to remember to throw that piece of bone out. Oh, chicken. Okay guys, let me taste this. Turn this off. Oh my God. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share so your family and friends can enjoy the goodness. I thank you so much for your support. I thank you for watching. I appreciate it tremendously. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours, God bless, and you just enjoy all the meals I bring to you. Thank you. What's up? Welcome to my kitchen. I just made me some gumbo, but I didn't make traditional gumbo. I combined Jamaican with Southern, so this is jerk chicken and sausage gumbo. This is absolutely divine. The smell in the kitchen is like, oh my God. And I've already tasted it, yes. Amazing. This will be on my YouTube soon. I'm not sure when I'm going to get it on my blog, but it will be on the YouTube soon.